Good news for dual employment issues. I know you people are trying to fix your dual employment problems, and some of the people trying to delete it and failed. Some of the people try to approach with joint declarations. However, that option also failed. Okay, if you have 2 days to 15 days overlapping, there is a good news for you. Mindtree 100% will work for you. Big MNCs, even IBM, Accenture, Infosys, okay, CTS, everybody following this methodology in order to onboard dual employment profiles. If you have dual employment, definitely you can approach to me. This tricks will work. In past 3 years, I have been suggesting these tricks, but now it is firing and working perfectly. Okay, if you are really struggle, if you are really facing problem, try to approach me and get the suggestions to join in the new organization. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.